Why air fryer bacon is the best way to cook bacon. Hey there! Ever wondered if there's a better way to cook bacon? A method that's cleaner, faster, and might even make your bacon taste better? Well, today we're diving into the game-changing technique that's revolutionizing breakfast kitchens everywhere: air fryer bacon. But wait, is air fryer bacon really worth the hype? Or is it just another kitchen trend that falls flat? Let's cut through the sizzle and get to the meaty truth. First off, what makes cooking bacon such a hassle in the first place? We've all been there, right? Standing over a hot, splattering pan, dodging grease explosions, trying to flip floppy strips without tearing them apart, and then facing that greasy stovetop cleanup afterward? Or maybe you've tried oven bacon, better, but still takes forever to preheat and cook. So, what makes air fryer bacon different? It all comes down to 3 game-changing advantages. Number 1, speed. Would you believe you can have perfectly crispy bacon in just 8 to 10 minutes? No preheating required. That's literally half the time of oven methods and without the constant attention of stovetop cooking. Number 2, cleanliness. How would you like to cook bacon without your kitchen looking like a crime scene afterward? The air fryer contains all that splatter in one easy-to-clean basket. No more grease-covered stovetops or multiple pans to scrub. Number 3, texture perfection. Here's the real secret. Air circulation creates the most consistently crispy bacon you've ever had. But have you ever wondered why? The bacon cooks suspended in the basket, allowing hot air to circulate completely around each strip while the fat drips away. The result? Bacon that's crispier on the outside while staying surprisingly tender inside. But let's be real, there's gotta be a catch, right? What are the potential downsides? The main limitation is batch size. Depending on your air fryer model, you might only fit 4 to 6 strips at once. But here's a question. Would you rather cook all your bacon at once and have some pieces underdone and others burnt? Or cook perfect bacon in quick batches? And what about that classic bacon flavor? Does air frying change it? Surprisingly, many bacon enthusiasts report that air fryer bacon tastes less greasy but more flavorful. How is that possible? It's because the rapid air circulation renders the fat quickly while sealing in the smoky bacon flavor. Now, let me share the simple technique that will transform your breakfast game forever. 1. Start with cold air fryer. No preheating needed. This actually helps render the fat more gradually for better results. 2. For standard bacon thickness, set your temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Thin-cut bacon, drop to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Extra thick, bump up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. Lay the bacon in a single layer in your basket. A little overlap is okay as it will shrink, but don't completely crowd it. 4. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes for medium thickness bacon. Here's the question many people miss. Should you flip the bacon halfway through? The answer might surprise you. For standard air fryers, yes. A quick flip at the halfway point ensures even cooking. But for air fryer ovens, totally unnecessary. 5. Check a minute or 2 early. Remember, the difference between perfect and burnt bacon can happen in seconds. Have you tried air fryer bacon yet? Drop a comment below with your favorite bacon cooking method. And if you're looking for the perfect air fryer for bacon, if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more kitchen game changers, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest kitchen hacks and recommendations. Until next time, where we help you find better ways to cook the foods you love.